Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can answer or reject an incoming call on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So let's take a look. Here is an incoming call. So to answer the call, swipe across, and that will allow you to answer an incoming call. So let's see how you can reject the incoming call. So here we're going to have an incoming call, and then when you want to reject an incoming call, just simply slide on the red button across to the left, and that will allow you to reject an incoming call. Okay, if you want to reject incoming call with a text response, what you want to do is swipe up. It says send message right here. So you swipe up, and in here there is some predefined text message that you could use. Otherwise, you can simply tap on write a new message, and that will allow you to write a new text. And as soon as you tap on that, the call will immediately end, and then you can send the text message instead. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.